Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify username. This is a new update that just came out just recently. It's really easy to do, so you want to start in Spotify, and you want to go to the top right little settings gear that you see there. And then once you're here, you want to click View Profile, the top option here. And then in here, you want to click Edit Profile. And then you're able to change your name right here. So we just change it to whatever, put my name. And that's how easy it is for that. I do hear some people are having some issues though, with either it being not showing that, showing something like finding friends, or it's just not appearing at all. I've heard some fixes for that is just to try closing your app, reopening it, logging out, and then logging back in. And some people have even mentioned that they have to connect their Facebook account. So if that edit profile is not there for you, I would try one of those three things. I've heard that that is a fix if it's not there for you. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help and get that changed for you. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Spotify and other tutorials. Thanks for watching.